We start today with a bit of digital detective work that recently unmasked one of the biggest players in the AI space. For those who follow the pulse of the developer community, you might have seen some chatter about a mysterious entity known as Ox Alpha. For a week in late August, this model was hosted on OpenRouter under a stealth label. It was essentially a ghost in the machine, hidden behind a pseudonym while it sat in the wild for testing or observation. But here's the thing about the AI community. We have some very sharp eyes. Researchers and community members, including Ben Davis, began performing what's known as fingerprinting. They weren't just guessing, they were looking at the raw data. By feeding a wide variety of prompts, ranging from standard English and German to Chinese, complex code blocks, and even simple emojis, they began tracking the exact token counts returned by Ox Alpha. The results were telling. The token counts for Ox Alpha matched the GLM-53 model almost perfectly across every single category. There was only one tiny discrepancy, a consistent plus 75 token offset. This tell is a classic indicator of a hidden system, prompt, or a routing wrapper used to mask the underlying identity of the model. So, what exactly was hiding under that Ox Alpha cloak? It turns out it was the GLM-53 Flash, a powerhouse in the ZAI GLM family. We're talking about a 320B18B natively multimodal model with a massive 1 million token context window. The fact that Ox Alpha was unmasked so quickly speaks volumes about how closely the community watches these developments. It also highlights the sheer scale of what ZAI is building with the GLM family, positioning them as a major force in the next wave of production-ready AI. While the software side of AI is expanding rapidly, the hardware reality is becoming increasingly expensive. The explosion of generative AI isn't just a software boom. It's creating a massive physical strain on our global supply chains. Specifically, the demand for high-bandwidth memory and DRAM is skyrocketing as data centers scramble to build out more infrastructure. Market analysts are warning that this AI frenzy is consuming an unprecedented amount of available chip supply. We are seeing reports of DRAM prices potentially surging by over 400% from early 2024 through the end of 2026. This isn't just a minor fluctuation. It's a fundamental shift in how memory chips are allocated, with manufacturers like Samsung and SK Hynix prioritizing high-end AI applications. \n. For the average consumer, this means that everything from gaming PCs to smartphones could see higher costs as the supply of standard DRAM is squeezed. The reality of 2025 and 2026 is clear. If you need memory, it's going to cost a premium. It's a stark reminder that every line of code in these massive models requires a physical foundation of silicon and electricity. Finally, we take a look at the internal and external pressures facing Anthropic under its current leadership. Anthropic has been making waves with its focus on safety, but that stance is starting to draw some heavy criticism. CEO Dario Amodei has frequently been labeled as a doomer for his push toward more restrictive regulations, a move critics argue is less about safety and more about seeking regulatory capture to build a monopoly. This polarizing approach isn't just making headlines, it's starting to impact the bottom line. Reports suggest that business professionals are growing weary of being treated like children by fear-based marketing. As a result, some users and enterprise customers are beginning to migrate toward competitors like OpenAI, Kimi K3, and DeepSeek. These platforms offer more permissive environments without the same level of doomer friction. While Amodei has built a massive company, his recent public persona and the perceived push for control is creating a rift. As the industry moves toward open-weight models and faster innovation, Anthropic faces a critical choice: continue with its current path or adapt to a market that is increasingly demanding less fear and more functionality.